Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be sharing with you a sneak peek of the brand new La Cosedora HBox coming this Wednesday, June 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This new collection will have an extra special garden theme and one of my favorites, succulents. From now on, the new collections will come in a cute HBox with the theme of the collection printed on it. Besides the amazing stamping plates created for the theme, some collections will also include new stamping polishes. When you purchase your HBox, you also receive gifts, mini collectible plates, scraper card stickers, and a surprise gift, as well as free shipping to US and Canada. You can always use my discount code JENNY10 to receive 10% off your order at HLacosedora.com. I'll have a link and all the details in the description box of this video. Come back tomorrow to see what's inside the box. And you can also follow me on Instagram at jennystone.21 to see more. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!